You're committed to providing your customers with solutions to their heating and cooling challenges. That's why you offer efficient, versatile ductless split accessories. And at Replacement Components, we're committed to providing you with an ever-expanding line of ductless split parts and accessories. No matter what brand of ductless system you're working on, trust Replacement Components for the right equipment to deliver incredible performance and easy installation at a very affordable price. For example, Blue Diamond condensate removal pumps. You want quiet operation and good performance under demanding conditions, and that's what you'll get with the Blue Diamond line. That and an incredible 3-year warranty. They can be mounted in any orientation without check valves, run dry without overheating, drive suction rather than siphon, and can handle both light debris and suspended solids. First, there's the Micro Blue. It can be mounted up to 6 feet away from the unit and operates continuously in both wet and dry conditions. Then there's the Maxi Blue, which is ideally suited for mid-range air conditioning systems. It can handle high humidity conditions while still delivering superb performance and reliability. And so does the Mega Blue, the third pump in the Blue Diamond line. It features a slim, lightweight design and excellent performance to overcome installation difficulties, so you can offer your customer an option that provides savings on installation and service down the road. At Replacement Components, we also stock mini condensate removal pumps from Sauermann. These Sauermann pumps all feature quiet operation and a compact design for quick and easy installation and drain-safe devices. Let's look at some of the additional features of the 3 Sauermann models. The SI20 can be installed inside the air conditioning system, whether it's a wall-mounted, ducted, suspended ceiling, or floor-mounted unit. It features rubber dampers and runs at a whisper-quiet 22 decibels. The SI30 provides many of the same key benefits as the SI20, but also features a mounting bracket, locking power cord, and 20 decibel operation. Then there's the Omega Pack pump, which offers the same incredible features as the SI20, including rubber dampers and 22 decibel operation, but with a sleek, modern design for easy installation under wall-mounted units. Now let's talk mini-split line sets. Replacement Components is your connection to Line Sets Incorporated, creating custom line sets that are made in the USA. They're E243 approved and engineered and tested for use with R410A. At Replacement Components, you have access to the many incredible line set options available. And of course, mini-split line sets have to be connected. And that's where the Mighty Bracket comes in. The Mighty Bracket is designed to securely hold the mini-split's evaporator coil for quick, easy connections of mini-split line sets, electrical components, and condensate drain pumps and hoses. It features 20-inch long support arms to provide space for evaporator coils to be temporarily angled away from the wall for easy back panel access. With the Mighty Bracket, evaporator coil mounting and connecting is now a hands-free, single-person task. It hooks onto both tabs of a mini-split wall mounting plate quickly. Now that's convenience. And at Replacement Components, that's what we offer with our entire line of ductless split parts and accessories. Convenience, easy installation, and affordable high-quality products that are ideal for any brand system. Bottom line, when you choose Replacement Components, you'll save time and hassle on the job, and both you and your customer will save money. Ask your counter sales representative about the many other ductless split system parts and accessories available at your nearest Carrier, Bryant, or Payne distribution center.